How to add an admin into your ManyChat account. Hi, my name is Lillian and I'm here helping online spiritual coaches, healers, therapists and practitioners supercharge their online coaching business to success. I also have the Soul Central directory, which goes out once a month to over 10,000 plus manifestors, high achievers and soul searchers. And yeah, if you'd like to be in front of that audience once a month and you feel your services will match them as well, then feel free to like this video, subscribe, and also mention in the comments Soul Central directory, and I'll send you over the information and get you into the next edition. Okay, so how to add an admin into your ManyChat account. Let's get going. Okay, so here I am in my ManyChat account. If you have no idea about messenger bots, for those who do know me, I absolutely love messenger bots. Feel free to find the link below in the description as well to know all that you need to know about how a messenger bot can transform your life in your online coaching business, and you get to clone mine and it's worth £500 and it's for free. So feel free to go down there and have a look. So if you come over to your ManyChat account and then click on settings, it's going to bring up this page here, and you go to team members, invite new member and admin, and then you need to send that person this link within 24 hours, otherwise you need to regenerate a whole new link. But that's it, so that's as simple as it gets. Okay, I hope you found that useful. Again, as mentioned, if you would like your business to be in front of over an audience of 10,000 plus manifestors, soul searchers and seekers, high achievers, and feel free to like this video, subscribe and comment below Soul Central directory, and I'll get you into the next edition of Soul Central. Thanks ever so much again for listening, and here's to your business success.